on, guys. We're going out on the dock here at a marina. It's beautiful. My beautiful little daughter Abigail.
Hi.
So
There's
we're
plenty of dragonflies.
here at a state park enjoying ourselves. Come on, take a walk with us. Let's go check this out.
Going out onto the water. And there's alligators.
There's gators out here. We haven't seen any yet.
Kind of want to.
Yeah, I can't see. There you go. There you
Kind
are.
of want to see.
I'm really wanting to see one. Yeah.
I heard some water running over there.
Careful. All right.
And, I hope gators don't hear this, but they're just a little bit chunky.
So it's beautiful.
They're a little bit chunky, and from the water to up here, they probably won't be able to jump out of the water.
Look at that. That big motion there.
Oh.
That ain't a gator, is it?
I hope not.
We'll kind of slide over here then. Anyway, we just wanted you to kind of see it. I'm going to go back over here so you can see, just look out here. Look at this, how amazing this is.
And
Beautiful.
And then the water beyond here.
Yeah, any last words?
If you see this video and we get eaten by a gator, here are my last words. Tell my mom I love her!
Deuces. Thanks for watching.
Got something.
Look at that. I got it on video too. He got a good little fish. That's crazy.
Too.
I know. Look at that fish. That was cool. How about that?
Just be aware of this little alligator walking